Hey guys, welcome to Digit. Today we have the Esports Superflow SF120 kit. It's a package of 3 ARGB fans, an ARGB control box, and 1 RF remote. Looking at the box, we can tell that it is supported by ASUS Aura Sync, Gigabyte RGB Fusion, MSI Mystic Light Sync, ASRock Polychrome Sync, and it has 1.6 million colors. It also says that it has dual-sided ARGB ring illumination. At the back of the box, you can see that it has addressable RGB lighting, silent cooling technology, a hybrid design, and shock-absorbing pads, all oriented towards making these RGB lights quieter. That's about all you can tell from the box, so let's open it up and see what's inside. This looks like the ARGB controller. Yeah, that's the ARGB fan controller with the big Anti-Sports logo on top. You can add 5 fans in this end, 5 fans on the other. There's 2 cables coming out of it. This one connects to your motherboard for ARGB light control, and this is the power socket, a serial ATA cable. You also have another port here in case you decide to plug in a light switch for externally. There are 2 ports here to plug in LED light strips. You have a remote in the box with the on switch, off switch, brightness to change your light modes, and the speed of 11 solid colors on the lower end of the panel if you want to switch those. You also have a button here to change control between the remote and the motherboard. The Anti-Sports welcome message. 4 small packets which would presumably have screws. Yes, that's 4 screws, 4 for each fan in the pack. Let's take a look at the fans themselves. So these are the Anti-Sports ARGB fans. This should be 120 by 120 by 25 millimeters. So that's the second. That would be it for the unboxing of the Anti-Sports Superflow SF120 kit. 3 fans, 1 remote, controller with screws. Thank you so much for watching.